Hey everyone, want to earn extra cashback or rewards with Crownit? Here's how you can find and use promo codes to maximize your benefits. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Next, type Crownit promo codes in the search bar and press enter. Now you will see several websites listing promo codes for Crownit, offering rewards, extra cashback, and discounts on purchases. Then click on one of these websites to browse the latest deals like get 10% extra cashback or exclusive restaurant discounts with Crownit codes. Choose the promo code that suits your needs and copy it to your clipboard. Open the Crownit app, proceed with your transaction, and paste the promo code at checkout to unlock your reward or discount. And that's it. You have successfully used a Crownit promo code to get more value from your spending. Thanks for watching.